How are you, Pp2? I missed you so much. I hope you be fine and safe at home. Today we're going to continue our solving revision sheet for the third quarter. Today is part 3. Open with me your sheet. It's in page 6. We already finished page 6. So now we're going to continue page 7 together. Here I have x power 3 minus y power 3. It's number 48. X power 3 minus y power 3. Do you remember the rule? Let's write it up here. X power 3 minus y power 3 equals what? Small bracket and big bracket. Because I have power 3. If I have power 3, I will make what? Small bracket and big bracket. What about the small bracket? Small bracket, I will take the two terms here without the power 3. X minus y without any powers. Very good. And leave بقى this one. خلاص. Leave it. Don't look at it. Look at this bracket, the small bracket. X minus y. What are you going to do with this bracket? I'm going to power 2 for the first. X power 2. Power 2 for the second. Plus y power 2. And the second time the first with the opposite sign. Second time first with the opposite sign. So if this is minus, so this will be what? Plus. Okay? X times y, xy. This is minus, make it plus. Okay? Very good. So look here. This bracket is just the same like this one. Okay? And he wants x minus y. So x minus y, the bracket which is x minus y, I will take this bracket to the other side with divide. Okay? So x minus y equals x power 3 minus y power 3 over the bracket. The big bracket here. He tells me that x power 3 minus y power 3 is 14. And the big bracket here equals 7. So 14 over 7, 14 divide 7 equals what? Equals 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, the answer is what? 2. Again, he gave you this is 14 and this is 7. 14 divided 7 is 2, so the answer is 2. Very good. Let's see number 49. If y power 3 minus a equals y minus 2 times y power 2 plus 2y plus 4. Look here. What I have here? I have y power 3 minus another number. It must be power 3. Which number power 3? If I make its cubic root, it will give me 2. Which number power 3? If I get its cubic root, will give me 2. I make here what? The opposite. I make here the opposite. So 8, if I get it, cubic root of 8, it will give me what? It will give me 2. So it's 8. Okay? Very good. Let's see here. X power 3 plus 27 equal x plus 3. I want to get the middle term here for the big bracket. What the middle term? How to get it? Remember? First times second only. But change the sign. So it's negative 3x. Negative 3x. So the k is negative 3x. Very good, Pp2. Complete with me this. Solution set of the equation. I have here 3. X minus 2 and x plus 5. Do you remember? Here. 3 will not give me anything. 3 will not give me anything because 3 don't have x. Because 3 don't have x. If it's a 3x, it will give me 0. But here 3 alone will give me nothing. And x minus 2, x minus 2 equals 0. Remember how to solve it? X minus 2 equals 0. So x equals what? The opposite of the negative 2, so it will be 2. So 2. And here also x plus 5. And 5 will go to the other side with minus. So x equals negative 5. So my answer is 2 and negative 5. 2 and negative 5, which is C. Okay? I'm checking the answers with you, okay? This doesn't mean that this is right, okay? Anything wrong, I'm telling you it's wrong, okay? Very good, Prep 2. Let's see number 52. Solution set of equation this. How to make it? We're going to take the negative 4 to the other side with positive. So x power 2, x power 2 equals 4. So if I want to get rid of the power 2, power 2 will go to the other side with a plus or minus square root. Remember? Power 2 will go to the other side with plus or minus square root. Square root of 4 is what? 2. So plus or minus 2 means 2 and negative 2. Excellent, Prep 2. Here number 53. The solution set of equation x power 2. What are we going to do? We're going to take plus 25 to the other side with minus. So x power 2 equal negative 25. The power 2 will go to the other side with what? Plus or minus square root of negative 25. Do I have square root of negative in R, in real numbers? No, it's not belong to the real numbers. It's not belong to the real numbers. So my solution set is phi. Nothing. Nothing. Okay? Excellent, Prep 2. If the age of Basim now is 3 years, is X years old, okay? Then from 3 years ago, it's X minus 3. Ago means I'm going to make minus. Okay? Very good. If the base length of parallelogram is 7 and the height is 4, do you remember the area? Area equals what? Area equal base times height. Area equals base times height. Do you remember? Very good. So my base is 7 and the height is 4. The base is 7 and the height is 4. So 7 times 4 is what? 28. 28 centimeters square. Excellent, Prep 2. Let's see number 56. The area of parallelogram. He give you the area. Here he is giving you the area. And he giving you the height. And he want the base. The base equal what? Area over height. And if you want the height, area over base. Remember? Yes. So 35 over 5. 35 divided 5 is 7. 7 centimeter. Very good. If I have here parallelogram which AB equal 5 and BC equals 10. AB and BC are two bases. Okay? Are two bases. This is the small base. Small base. And this is what? The bigger base. Big base. Okay, so the small base is 5 and the bigger base is 10. And he gave you the small height. Small height. He's giving you the small height is 4. Small height is 4. So the greatest height. He wants the greatest height. أو biggest height. The biggest height. Do you remember area equals what? Area equals smaller height times the biggest base. So it will be 4 times 10. Again, smaller height times biggest base. So it's 4 times 10 is 40. Very good. And the area also equal small base times the biggest height. So 40 equal 5, which is small base, times the biggest height that I don't know. Okay? So the greatest height equal what? Equal 40 over 5, which is 8. 40 over 5, which is 8. Very good. Okay? Don't forget. The area of parallelogram again. Smallest base times biggest height, or biggest base times smallest height. Okay? Very good. Let's see 89. The ratio between the area of parallelogram and the area of triangle. Take care, huh? What we said about triangle? We said that the triangle is half parallelogram. Triangle is half. Triangle is half. So if he started with parallelogram, so parallelogram is double. Parallelogram is double. Parallelogram is double. Okay? So double, parallelogram is double, huh? So it's 2 to 1, because he starts from the bigger. If he tells you from triangle to parallelogram, so it's 1 to 2. But here he tells you from what? From parallelogram to rectangle, to triangle. Parallelogram to triangle, it's a 2 to 1. Okay? Very good. Let's see here. The area of triangle is not. The area of triangle is dots. The area of parallelogram, triangle is what? Half, as we said here, it's half. Very good. The area of triangle equal not base times height, equal what? Base times height, equal half base times height. Very good. In parallelogram ABCD, with area, he give you the area here 100. Then the area of triangle EBC, let's draw it to see it here. And this is A, B, C, D, and he want EBC. There is E, which is belong to AD with here. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, and this is E. So look at this triangle. It has a common base here. It has a common base here with the parallelogram. Okay? And between two parallel lines, which is AB parallel to DC. So its area equal half the area of parallelogram. And what is the area of parallelogram? What is the area of parallelogram? It's 100. The area of parallelogram is 100. So the area of the triangle is half 100, which is 50. Very good. If the area of trapezium is 32 and its height, do you remember what is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium equal what? Middle base. Middle base times height. Remember? Middle base times height. Okay, طب if you want the middle base equal what? Area divide the height. Area divide the height. So 32 over 4. So it's 8. Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Pp2 for now. please try to complete to solve what we already solved till 62. If you have any problem, you can contact me on the WhatsApp and in Edmodo, okay? And if I know anything about the project, I will tell you in website in the Edmodo or in the WhatsApp, okay? Keep safe, stay at home, and try to study and prepare yourself for the project. Thank you very much.